In this video, we're going to explain how to delete or to restore your emails. So what you do is you go to the email that you would like to delete and point on it. You see a bin icon there, and then you click it, and then it deletes the email. The email has been moved to the trash here. So if you click on trash, you will see the email that you have deleted. If you want to restore it, you just click on it on this tick box, and then you go to this small icon written move to. You click on move to. It was in the inbox, and once you do that, it's taken back to the inbox and you'll see it there. If you want to delete multiple emails, you just click the emails that you want to delete, and then you use the delete button that is at the top. It takes it to the trash, and if you see it in the trash, that's where we are. We have the two emails. But say you want to restore both of these emails, you click both emails, and then you click move to, and then inbox, and they are taken back to the inbox. So you see that they are in the inbox there. But what if you want to clear the trash? There are two ways of doing that. You can wait for 30 days and it will be automatically deleted. But you can also click on the email that you want to delete and then say delete forever. Or you can just use empty trash now and it will empty everything which is in the trash. So right now, let's just click delete forever. That email is gone forever. So this is how you delete and restore emails in Gmail.